Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Welcome to a layout for the scrap room. Unfortunately, this is not going to be a process video. I'm going to show you what comes in this portion of the Flavors of the Month kit. The Flavors of the Month kit from the scrap room is a great way to get a little taste of a bunch of collections out there. It's my favorite way actually, because then I don't feel overwhelmed with a ton of it. And then if I really want more, I can seek out more. But the Flavors of the Month kit comes with 4 different mini collections of kits that are out there. So this month, for example, you get a mini collection of 49th and Market, you get this Simple Stories collection, you get a Pink Fresh collection, and you get a Cartabella collection. So 4 mini kits, and then there's a double shot kit where you can get 2 additional ones. So 2 different ones you can add to that, and then there's also add-on paper and embellishments if you want more, and more is more is more, right? And then also Shots of Life. So if you're gonna get it all, I recommend you also add the Shots of Life, because then you can just add it to all your stuff, even if you're not a Shots of Life or pocket card person. Helpful tip. Anywho, so each month with the Flavors of the Month kit as well, there are instructions everyone gets for each of those flavors, the 4 mini kits, a recipe, will you, to put together a page. So that is what I'm going to do today, and that is only exclusive to kit subscribers. So I'm just going to show you the kit, and then I'll show you what I created later, okay? That's how we're going to do this. So once again, this is Simple Stories, Simple Vintage, 'Tis the Season. So in those mini kits, everyone's gonna get 2 pieces of cardstock and 3 pattern papers and embellishments. So with this one, you get these 2 beautiful red cardstocks, or sheets of cardstock, sheets of cardstock, which is Kisses cardstock. Beautiful red. And then the 3 pattern papers we're gonna get are Make It Merry, which is this one with all these cars. That doesn't float my boat so much, but I love this. Yes. And then you're gonna get the 2x2 and 4x4 elements. So there's some 4x4 and 2x2, and this beautiful kind of vintagey stripe, which I also love. I'm kind of liking these though, and so we'll see what happens. And then this gorgeous poinsettia pattern. And this is called All Is Calm. And I love this as well. But then there's this beautiful plaid behind it too. So those are the 3 pattern papers you're going to get with this collection. And then everyone's going to get some embellishments. And these are all going to vary though. So you're going to get a mixture of bits and pieces, floral bits, enamel dots, and foam stickers. And like I said, it's all gonna vary. So per kit, it's all gonna be different. I got these, Merry Christmas, Deck the Halls, a little bell, a star, and some holly berries. Those are my foam stickers. I can already see I got like the vintagey, they're literally speckled egg colored. Yeah. Enamel dots, and then so the bits and pieces and bits of floral. Let's see, I got this one that says light, a bow, some evergreen branch, some berry branch, this beautiful mittens filled with things, Christmas Eve, and then these floral white, almost like peace lilies, but not really, and then this tiny star. So I like the star aspect of it, and I really like this paper, and I really think I'm going to lean on this paper, but I really like the stripe and the 4x4 and 2x2. We'll see. I have to make some decisions yet. So I am going to go ahead and make that layout, and then I will share it with you and show you what I've done.